What's the potential for central bank activity mean for markets? Will central bankers and key policymakers be able to continue to avoid and delay the end of business cycles?
Yeah, I think that central banks are going to be pushed some to be a little tighter than they'd otherwise want to be. If we're right and we think that for some period of time inflation is going to stay a little bit more persistent, central banks are going to be pressured to have to lean against that some, and we're already seeing that. The Fed's talking about ending the taper. We've seen emerging market central banks start to raise rates, and we think that's going to happen, and we do think that's going to create some headwind to the valuation of marketplace, given how high valuations are in risk markets.
Mm-hmm. In all of our client conversations, we get asked the question about China, and China's been in the headlines for years in terms of both an opportunity and a risk. What's your thought on China, opportunity or risk?
Yeah, China is really complicated. And that is, first, there's opportunity in China in that it will continue to grow faster than most of the world. And so you can't ignore it, and there clearly will be opportunities with that growth to take advantage of. The challenge is going to be with government policy on common prosperity. So wanting to promote economic growth, but ensuring that income doesn't go to sort of smaller and smaller parts of the economy. The government wants to help manage that. And so we think from a bottom-up perspective, it's understanding the companies that you're investing in, how they're exposed to that particular economic growth, and ensuring that you're trying to avoid those things that you think are riskiest. So it's an opportunity, but clearly there are threats in that market.
投资一定有风险，基金投资有赚有赔，申购前应详阅公开说明书。